How are you, my viewers? Welcome to Eri Kimonye Talks, and today we are going to talk about ICT careers or the ICT profession. So, ICT professions, are professions who technically or basically deal with things around the technology space. And so, most of you have asked me, what are these professions under ICT? So, just like the medical field, we have oncologists, we have gynecologists, we have pediatricians, etc., etc. So does the ICT profession. So, and most of the professionals, not all, have studied something in either ICT. So you'll find a bachelor's of science in IT, bachelor's of science in computer science, some is bachelor of science in business and technology. All of that, they actually can very much fit in. And technology is not only limited to studying that. We have seen people who have actually done medicine and actually doing technology. So I'll start with one of my career that I started personally. I dealt with infrastructure, and this is where I started my career. And so, under infrastructure, we have quite a number of professions or let me call them specialists. So you will find there is a database administrator who basically deals with databases across platforms, Oracle, Postgres, Cassandra, MongoDB. These are just guys who are specialists in databases. You will find others call themselves system administrators. So these are basically people who deal with servers, who deal with operating systems, who deal with just the operating systems, the hardware and the servers, etc., etc. And then there's the network administrators. These are people who basically deal with the network devices and the firewalls, the load balancer. So that's also another specialist. You'll also find the storage administrators who deal with iron storage. Can either be SAN or hyperconverged. It can also find another career, database administrators, backup administrators who deal basically with backups for day-to-day of the organization. So you'll find in infrastructure, it's quite huge. You'll find some professions, or rather some people can able to combine a network administrator and a server administrator, but basically finding someone doing end-to-end, they are there, but just a few, because when you specialize in these things, you just need to be good at them. So there are many certifications around infrastructure, and the reason why I focused on this is because I just love the way things connect, and then how you're able just to integrate these things and just work. So that's why I personally prefer to do infrastructure. The other one is the most common one is software developers. These are the DevOps guys, the guys who are developing softwares that do something. For example, your web portal, the guys who are doing your mobile application. These are the software developers. Some of them call them full stack developers, others call themselves front end developers, back end developers. There are quite a number in this field again. So it just depends on your capability to use programming languages. You'll find someone is good at Python, others will find they are good at Java, JavaScript, C++, C Sharp. The list is Ruby. The list is endless. So also this is another field where we find a lot of people. The third one I'm going to talk about today is these people. They are a profession within ICT called the business analyst or the application support. So these are profession that technically they're technicians who look after supporting the applications. So for example, restarting, ensuring it's integrating to this, supporting the application for day to day. They are basically not 100% developers. They could be having a development skill, a software development skill, but again, it's not necessary. So these people just know how this system starts, how to start a service, how it interconnects, how to troubleshoot those services. Basically, this is that profession that we normally hear about in organizations. In my next video, I'm going to talk about the others. So please stay put. Thank you.